In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Google Sheets with comments. If you've ever shared a spreadsheet and needed those little discussions or notes to show up on paper or in a PDF, this walkthrough will make it clear and simple. We'll start right inside your spreadsheet and work through the print settings so your comments are included exactly how you expect. First, open your Google Sheets document. Make sure the sheet you want to print is visible and any comments or notes you want to include are already added to the cells. Once you're in the right place, go to the top menu and choose File, then Print. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on a Mac. This opens the Print Setup view, which also shows a live preview of how your sheet will look when it's printed or saved as a PDF. Inside Print Setup, look to the panel on the right. Scroll down until you reach the section labeled Headers and Footers. This area controls extra information that can be included on the printed page, and it's where we'll confirm the right formatting options are available. Next, in that same right-hand panel, click on Formatting. Think of formatting as the place where you toggle on or off the visual elements that accompany your data. Under the Include section, check the box labeled Comments. This is the key step. Turning on Comments ensures that any cell comments or notes attached to your sheet will be included when you print. Comments are typically discussion threads attached to cells, while notes are simpler, one-off annotations. Enabling this option captures both, so your context isn't lost on the printed page. Now, look closely at the print preview on the left. You should see indicators or references showing how the comments will appear. Depending on your sheet and layout, comments may be numbered and listed, or shown in a way that clearly ties them back to the relevant cells. If something doesn't look right, this is the perfect time to double-check that the comments box is checked and that you're previewing the correct sheet or print range. Once everything looks the way you want, click Next. From here, you can send the document to your printer or choose the option to save it as a PDF. Saving as a PDF is useful if you want to share the file digitally while preserving the comment context. And that's it. With these steps, your Google Sheets will print with comments included, keeping your data and the conversation around it together.